Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500 Limited Crew Cab in diamond black crystal pearl. With bifunction LED projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot with cross-path detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seating, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6136A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.